Hi kids! Today we will draw baby elephant. To draw elephant, first draw 6 circles, 2 small and 4 big circles as shown in the video. Next, make 2 small circles as eyes of the elephant. Then draw the trunk. Try to make it with free hand to enjoy the process. Join the circles to make 4 feet of the elephant. Lastly, draw a little tail. Baby elephant is ready for coloring. For coloring, choose any color of your choice. It helps the child to develop their creative thinking and imagination. This kid is trying to make it colorful baby elephant. Baby elephant is ready! Hope you have fun drawing and coloring with me.